Welcome to Critter Chronicles, where nature's boldest voices rise from the treetops. Today, we meet a warrior cloaked in midnight, the Black Drongo, a fearless sentinel of the skies. In the heat of the day, when the sun casts long shadows and the air hums with life, a shape cuts through the sky. Sleek, sharp, unyielding. This is the Black Drongo, a bird forged in boldness and wrapped in obsidian feathers. It is not large. It is not heavy. But it is mighty. With a forked tail like a blade and eyes that pierce the horizon, the Drongo rules its territory with unmatched confidence. Perched high on wires, branches, or fence posts, it surveys the land like a general. Every movement is calculated. Every call, a command. Its voice is a mix of whistles, clicks, and mimicry, an arsenal of sound used to deceive, defend, and dominate. The Black Drongo is a master of mimicry. It can imitate the alarm calls of other birds to scatter flocks and steal food. It is clever, strategic, ruthless when it must be. But it is not a thief alone. It is a guardian. Farmers across Asia revere the Drongo for its courage. It dives at predators, hawks, crows, even snakes, with fearless precision. It does not retreat. It attacks. In flight, it is swift and agile. Wings beat with purpose. Tail flicks with control. It dances through the air like a shadow with intent. Nesting season brings a different kind of strength. The Drongo builds high, in open view, daring any intruder to approach. The male and female defend their nest with relentless energy. Their young are raised not just in safety, but in defiance. The Black Drongo is not a bird of compromise. It is a symbol of courage, of clarity, of command. Across fields, villages, and forests, its silhouette is unmistakable. A flash of black against the blue. A sentinel in the wind. It reminds us that strength is not always size. That power is not always volume. Sometimes, it is the quiet confidence of a creature that knows its place and defends it without hesitation. The Black Drongo does not ask for respect. It earns it. And in its flight, in its fight, in its voice, it declares, I am here. I am watching. And I will not be moved. Thank you for joining Critter Chronicles, where nature's fiercest guardians take flight. Subscribe now for more epic bird documentaries and fearless wildlife encounters.